Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best and biggest Forex brokers in the world. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A lot of Forex traders may be under the impression that a larger broker is better than a smaller broker due to the advantages that such brokers have, including economies of scale, a better position in liquidity, a higher scrutiny from the public, and regulatory entities. When this assumption does carry some merit, and to some degree bigger is better, it is not about the total correlation between the size and the quality of Forex brokers. In other words, the largest broker is not necessarily the best broker. Traders have different trading needs and objectives. It is therefore imperative for traders to compare and evaluate brokers to find the one that better suits them. When measuring the size of a company, there are several criteria used, and the most commonly used in ranking companies by size are market capitalization, revenue, and profits. When Forex brokers are concerned, another way to measure their size is by comparing the total assets under the broker's management, or AUM. The closest thing to this is the funds of clients that the broker holds, as they represent the total value of client accounts. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best and biggest Forex brokers in the world might find it a difficult process, especially when searching for a list of reliable, safe, and trustworthy brokers to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best and biggest Forex brokers in the world. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. At number 4 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. Coming in at number 3, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CYSEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 2 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported as a web trader and on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platform, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to getting started with trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best and biggest Forex brokers in the world, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best and biggest Forex brokers in the world on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.